Assalamualaikum and good day. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my industry training experience. And my name is Nur Afifah Alia binti Faizul, and I will be presenting my internship experience at INEOS PCG Acetyl Sendirian Berhad, where I completed my industry training under the Human Resource and Administration Department, specifically in the Learning and Development section. Throughout this presentation, I will briefly introduce the company, explain my internship experience, discuss the SWOT analysis together with the recommendations, and finally, conclude with the overall learning experience that I gained throughout the internship. And first of all, I would like to introduce the company where I will be completed my industry training. INEOS PCG Acetyl Sendirian Berhad, or IPASP, is a joint venture company between INEOS Acetyl, which owns 70% share of the company, and Petronas Chemical Group, or PCG, which owns the remaining 30% shares of the company. And the company was established in 1997 and officially commenced operation in 2000. It is located at the Kerteh Integrated Petrochemical Complex, or KIPC, in Kerteh, Terengganu, which is one of the Malaysia major petrochemical hubs. The company specializes in the production of glacial acetic acid with an annual production capacity of 500,000 tons. Around 85% of its produce are exported to the international markets, while the remaining 15% are supplied to the domestic market. Currently, the company employs around 90 employees, with the majority of the workforce coming from Terengganu. Overall, IPASP has built a strong reputation through its commitment to operational excellence, workplace safety, and the production of high-quality products. Next, I would like to explain the company's vision, mission, and objective. The company's vision is to become an exemplary manufacturing organization by continuously improving its operational performance and maintaining high standards in the industry. Its mission is to operate safely and efficiently while developing a competent and high-performing workforce that contributes to the organization's success. Meanwhile, the company's objective is to provide a safe, rewarding, and empowering work environment where employees are encouraged to grow professionally and perform at their best. And during my internship, I observed that these values are reflected in the company's daily operation, especially through its emphasis on employee development and workplace safety. Moving on to the company and human resource structure. This slide shows the organizational structure of INEOS PCG Acetyl Sendirian Berhad. The company is led by the Chief Executive Officer, followed by several major departments including Project General Manager, PGM, Human Resource and Administration, and Finance, followed by IT. During my internship, I was attached to the Human Resource and Administration Department, specifically under the Learning and Development section. The Human Resource Department is responsible for several important functions, including recruitment, learning and development, employee and industry relations, compensation and benefits, administration, and external relations. Among these functions, the Learning and Development section focuses on planning, coordinating, and monitoring employee training programs to ensure employees continuously improve their knowledge and skills. Being attached to this section allows me to gain valuable exposure to training coordination and human resource administrative process. Okay, now moving on to the company product and services. The company's core product is glacial acetic acid, which is produced using CATIPA technology. This advanced technology enables efficient production while maintaining high product quality and environmental standards. With an annual production capacity of 500,000 tons, the company supplies its products to both local and international markets. Glacial acetic acid is widely used in many industries, including the production of polyester fiber, paints and coatings, plastic, food products, pharmaceutical, and other industrial chemicals. Besides manufacturing, the company also provides supporting services such as logistics and supply chain management, export and local distribution, customer support, and quality assurance to ensure customer satisfaction and product reliability. Okay, now I would like to share an overview of my internship experience. This internship was conducted over a period 24 weeks from 2nd of March until 13th of August 2026. During this period, I was assigned to the Human Resource and Administration Department, specifically under the Learning and Development section. The company practiced a flexible working hour system where employees are required to complete 40-hour workings per week, with working days from Sunday to Thursday. This internship provided me with valuable exposure to a professional working environment and allowed me to understand how human resource management supports employee development and contributes to achieving the organization's goals. Okay, now moving on to roles, responsibilities, and benefits during my internship, where my main role was to support the learning and development section in carrying out daily human resource activities, particularly those related to the employee training and development. As part of my responsibilities, I prepare training-related documents and report, update employee training records, manage HR documents using the MFile document management system, and assist in organizing training programs for employees. Besides that, I also provide administrative support to the Human Resource Department and assist other departments whenever additional support was required. Apart from my roles and responsibilities, this internship also provides many valuable benefits. From an intrinsic perspective, I improved my Microsoft Office skills, learned how to use the MFile system, and strengthened my communication, teamwork, time management, and problem-solving skills. More importantly, I gained practical exposure to the human resource practices in a real working environment. From an extrinsic perspective, the company provides a monthly allowance of 6,000 ringgit, together with the medical benefits, insurance coverage, public holiday, and annual leave. Overall, the internship helped me bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge learned at university and practical experience in the workplace. Okay, next, I will be presenting the SWOT analysis that was conducted to evaluate the human resource practices at INEOS PCG Assetal Sdn Bhd. Starting with the strength, one of the company's key strengths is its commitment to employee development. Head of department or HOD are given opportunities to participate in both local and international site visits, where allowing them to gain valuable knowledge and share best practices across different INEOS Assetal sites. Another strength is the company's strong safety culture. Weekly toolbox sessions are conducted to increase employee awareness of workplace safety and ensure compliance with health and safety procedures. In addition, the company has a secure working environment through the use of employee identification card and facial recognition system, which enhance workplace security and emergency preparedness. Moving on to the weaknesses, the first issue identified is the limited parking facilities, especially for interns, contractors, and temporary staff. This sometimes creates an inconvenience during working hours. Another weakness is the company relies on external training providers, which limits the opportunity to develop customized in-house training programs based on the company's specific needs. For the opportunities, the company can maximize government initiatives such as National Training Week, NTW, which provide free learning opportunities for employees to improve their knowledge and skills. Furthermore, strengthening collaboration with universities can help the company attract talented graduates and build a sustainable talent pipeline for future workforce development. Finally, the company also faces several threats. These include the loss of experienced employees due to retirement or resignation, rapid technological changes that require continuous employee upskilling, and increasing environmental compliance requirements within the petrochemical industry. So, based on the SWOT analysis, several recommendations can be proposed to further improve the effectiveness of human resource practices at the company. Firstly, the company should improve workplace accessibility by reviewing its parking arrangements, especially for temporary staff, interns, and visitors, to create a more convenient working environment. Secondly, the Human Resource Department should develop more in-house training programs by utilizing internal experts. This can reduce dependence on external training providers while ensuring that training content is more relevant to the company's operation. education. The company should also strengthen collaboration with university through internship programs, industrial visits, and graduate recruitment initiatives to develop a strong future talent pipeline. Besides that, succession planning should be enhanced to ensure effective knowledge transfer from experienced employees to younger staff before retirement. Finally, the company should continue investing in digital competency development and environmental awareness programs to ensure employees remain competitive and comply with industry standards. This recommendation can contribute to better employee development, improve organizational performance, and long-term sustainability. In conclusion, my internship at INAS PCG Exercise Sdn Bhd was a valuable and meaningful learning experience. It provided me with the opportunity to apply the knowledge gained at university in a real working environment while developing both technical and interpersonal skills. Throughout the internship, I gained a better understanding of the importance of the human resource management plays in employee development, workplace safety, and organizational success. The experience also strengthened my confidence, professionalism, and readiness to begin my future career in human resource management. Overall, I am truly grateful to INAS PCG Exercise Sdn Bhd and University Technology Mara for giving me the opportunity to gain this valuable industrial experience. And that's all for my presentation, and thank you for paying attention.